Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Rock Island County, Central Clinton County, Scott County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Buffalo or near Davenport, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, Eldridge, DeWitt, Milan, Comedge, Walcott, Bluegrass, Buffalo, Andalusia, Princeton, Long Grove, Charlotte, Donahue, McCausland, Lowmore, and Maysville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 287 and 302. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 13. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Rock Island, Illinois, and the following counties in Iowa: Clinton and Scott.